You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a Greek hero. For more names from Greek mythology, make sure to stay tuned. In Greek, the pronunciation is as Peleus, Peleus, but in English there are two different pronunciations. Peleus, Peleus, that's the first one. Peleus, the second correct pronunciation in English is as Peleus, Peleus or Peleus from Greek, Peleus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.